Hi, I'm Olivia Monroe, and I'm a junior classical liberal arts major at Patrick Henry College.
And I'm Monroe and Paulton, and I'm a sophomore American Politics and Policy major at Patrick Henry College.
One thing that I absolutely just love at PHC is that it has taught me to think thoughts that I didn't even think were really even possible. What it has really done is not only just given me an education and teaching me about philosophy and great thinkers and great ideas, but it has really taught me how to just live life well, and it has taught me what it really means to not only be fully human, but just to take the higher thoughts and practically implement them in daily living.
And that's the really cool thing about Patrick Henry College. We really get the best of both worlds. So we don't only get this classical liberal arts and the basic foundation, but then we get the apprenticeship side of that. That's the other part of classical liberal arts that people a lot of times forget, is that we actually go and get our hands dirty and we actually practice these things. So Olivia and I have both had really cool opportunities to get practice with what we're doing.
Yeah, like last semester, I actually interned at a middle school and I taught middle school math. And most people thought, you're from a classical liberal arts college and you're teaching math. But it was amazing to be able to take the things that I had learned at PHC that just taught me about general life and how to communicate ideas well. And I was able to take that into a junior high school and teach them algebra.
And then this summer, I got to engage with a local political organization, educating citizens, doing research, even getting to be involved with some media outreach. And that really taught me what I want to do with my life in media. And then it also just showed me how practical all the skills are really that I'm learning in my classical liberal arts education here at Patrick Henry College.
Yeah. We love PHC and we'd love to see you here as well.